Should I get gifts for the kids that I babysit for? Stay tuned. Hey sitters, it's Lydia. Thanks for joining me. If you're new here, you are in the right place to get some great babysitting tips and tricks to become a better babysitter. So hit that subscribe button to stick around. So I'm so sorry to the person who asked this question. I don't remember who it was, but it was a really great question and I wanted to talk about it. And the question being about gifting for the kids that we babysit for. So what kind of gifts to get them? Should we gift them? Should we not gift them? If you want to gift your kids gifts, I suggest setting a budget first. And this is because after you give a kid a gift or a family a gift, you're setting that expectation that you're going to be doing it every year. And that may be fine for if you're working with 2 or 3 kids and you are spending $10 each kid. But when it comes to you growing your clientele and you get 10, 11, 12 kids that you're working for, and you're gonna want to give all these kids gifts, $10 is gonna get expensive. So what you need to do is set a budget now. A good budget would be like $3 per kid, and I know you're like, $3, that's not a lot, but if you shop the right way, $3 can go a long way. Some of the type of gifts that you can get for kids are like an activity book with some crayons, a very small stuffed animal. Candy canes are always good because that's the holiday season. And you can go ahead and make your kids something if you're really creative as well. So I would just suggest keeping that budget low, even though this is the first year. You can always go bigger. You can't always go smaller. Personally, I don't get my kids anything. I love all my kids very much, but I don't gift them anything just because when you have over 60 kids that you babysit for, it gets to be a lot. But that doesn't mean I don't give my families anything. I do send out Christmas cards. When I see them, we bake cookies, we make crafts. I make it an experience when I'm with them. I make sure that they have a lot of fun when I'm with them, and that's my gift to them. As the holiday season approaches, it's just a lot when you get a little bit older and you're spending for your family and friends, and just it gets to be a lot. So the fact that I don't spend on my kids just makes it a little bit easier. Like I said, I do send out Christmas cards. I make sure I write a little note in there, personalized. But it's just hard every year to make sure that all my kids get something for Christmas. So I just don't do it. The best gift that a babysitter can give a kid that they babysit for is being the best babysitter they can. Listen to them. That's a big one. Just listen to them. Listen to what they want for Christmas. Listen to how their day's been going. Most of my kids have an elf on the shelf, and I ask them about that and the name of it and what it's been up to in the past couple weeks if I haven't seen them. So just be the best babysitter you can, and that's the greatest gift of all. If you do give gifts to your kids or have any creative ideas to make a gift for a kid, please let me know down in the comment section below, because although I don't give gifts to kids, I do give gifts to friends and family, and then the other people that are watching this video may need some more ideas as well. So let me know down in the comment section below. If you're new here, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys in the next video.